Ready, set, play. World-class sports and recreation amenities for your home. Welcome to the Lux Aura channel, the place that inspires you to live a beautiful, successful, and elegant life. If you've ever dreamt about having a professional-grade sports amenity installed in your house, there's a good chance that a specialist firm can make that fantasy a reality for you. There are many companies that can turn your home fantasies into reality, whether you like the thought of bowling strikes or sinking putts, or even dribbling on professional quality parquet courts, skating across smooth slabs of ice, or shredding on a never-ending wave are two examples of extreme sports. First one on the list is Lucky Strikes. Considering that bowling can be a great social activity, it's no surprise that homeowners who like entertaining are enthusiastic about the prospect of adding a few bowling lanes to their properties. Retrofitting a home with regulation-sized lanes, on the other hand, is not a simple process, since a pair of lanes normally need an area 100 feet long and 15 to 20 feet broad. According to Ryan Claxton, the co-founder of Fusion Bowling, that sort of area is normally something that needs to be built into the home from the beginning. It's an optical illusion that makes bowling lanes seem shorter, although they really cover a significant amount of ground. In fact, Claxton confesses that his business is most often called upon to design and construct lanes for new houses when the whole floor plan is basically planned around the form and position of that space. The lanes have been erected in basements when Fusion Bowling has renovated an existing home, provided that the dwelling has a significant footprint. The majority of the residences that have Fusion Bowling's lanes have an average square footage between 20,000 and 25,000 square feet. Next on the list is Icebreakers. Custom Ice Incorporated was founded 22 years ago by former NHL player Dave Gagner, who commissioned the construction of a private outdoor ice rink for his backyard. This project spurred the formation of Custom Ice Incorporated, which today specialized in private domestic skating surfaces with prices starting at $30,000. The breadth and magnitude of the project were the most significant changes, says Glenn Winder, the company's vice president and partner. We're now constructing full-size National Hockey League rinks in people's private residences. In addition, the firm develops and installs insulated indoor rinks that may be located anywhere in North America, according to the corporation. Because of the requisite infrastructure, such indoor insulated projects often command a 40% premium over comparable outdoor rinks of the same dimensions. Although Custom Ice will not be responsible for the construction that will house the year-round rink, its team will collaborate closely with general contractors and architects, sharing CAD designs, installing rink components, and guiding those contractors and architects through the additional installation. Where a design-build firm, explains Winder, referring to the fact that they are well equipped for this. With over 1,000 ice rink projects under its belt, the firm is well equipped to undertake a wide range of unique requests and projects of varying sizes. Since its inception, it has built ice rinks that include everything from complete player boxes and score clocks to sound systems, strobe lighting, in-ice branding, and opulent changing rooms. There aren't many individuals who would go to such lengths, he adds. We do get folks who want the whole ice arena experience, however. Next up is Supreme Courts. Want to bank in a layup on the parquet floor of the New York Knicks or shoot a step-back three-pointer at the Staples Center? Sport Pros USA makes these fantasies a reality, sort of. While the company cannot get you inside either arena or onto their respective basketball courts, it can design and install an indoor court for your home that provides a comparable playing experience. With added scoreboards and wall graphics, as well as NBA chairs that can be placed along the sidelines, adds the company's president, Thomas Peterson. You may take it to its logical conclusion. We can make your court appear to be in the center of Madison Square Garden. After establishing the firm in 2006, Sport Pros USA has specialized in the construction of high-end residential basketball courts. Today, Sport Pros USA is able to build such courts with basketball systems manufactured by the same manufacturer that has been supplying NBA arenas for almost 2 decades. The established home projects in New York and New Jersey may be handled by Sport Pros USA, which can take care of every part of the installation. Half-court projects normally cost between $35,000 and $75,000. To assist customers with projects in other states, Sport Pros USA will provide direction and design assistance, and they will link them with reputable partners and affiliates who will do the actual construction work. Catch some waves with wave catchers. In recent years, if you've been on a Royal Caribbean cruise or visited one of the hundreds of water parks that have installed a Flow Rider stationary wave system for surfing, you've most certainly been astonished by the device's capabilities. The fact that the identical Flow Rider systems can be installed in private households is something you may not have realized. Approximately a dozen of those household installations have been done yet, while the company's newest model, the Flow Rider Edge, has the potential to significantly boost that number in the near future. The Flow Rider Edge has a footprint that is almost half the size of a Flow Rider Double, the company's most popular commercial model, as well as a cheaper price tag, $475,000 against around $1 million. Either of those items could be in your backyard. It's simply a matter of room and expense, says the company's president, Marshall Merman. It's probably more relevant to warmer climatic zones like Southern California, the Southwest, and the Southeast. But I wouldn't say it's out of reach for people in the Northeast. Merman recognizes that the Flow Rider experience can be a blend of surfing, but it genuinely resembles all board sports, even winter ones. Riding a flow board is like snowboarding in powder, he explains. Next up is backyard bunkers. Back 9 Green's artificial putting surfaces are developed and built for avid golfers who want to fit in a little more short game practice with style and little upkeep. The company has been outfitting the backyards of sophisticated golf aficionados, including tour players, for more than 2 decades. A conventional back 9 green without bunker starts at $18 per square foot, whereas contoured bunker accented premium greens can cost up to $40 per square foot. Back 9 Greens also hires a shaper who has previously worked with many renowned course architects, including Tom Fazio and Jack Nicklaus, for premium assignments. We build it exactly like a golf green anywhere, explains Dominic Nappi, the company's founder and president. He quickly adds some trade secrets are also involved. Well, that includes our video for today. Thanks for watching. I hope that we gave you some insight on these companies that can turn your home fantasies into reality. Please give us a like and comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell.